Hey guys, what's up? So tell me the top story tweets, 511 to iOS 15. So the first we have is called Dynamic Peninsula, and it's actually by Elias Lemnios, the one that created, I think, it was like auto recorder and or auto change or whatever, voice changer it sets. Those kind of tweets that are amazing still. This video here, it's an island effect on your notch. So brings most of the iPhone 14's Pro's dynamic island effect on all notch devices. So you can use this for like iPhone X, XS, iPhone 11, 12, 13, and so on. Provides fluid animated UI user interface for the following items for these. And there are more coming, so yeah, looks pretty cool. Alright, we have Glasba, and it's actually a music player with VK support and support for cloud services. So you can drop music with a simple gesture. It feels that easy. You can quickly make a playlist that you need 100 tracks, and you can separate them by albums or folders. Alright, this is called Milky Way 2 iOS 14 fits, and this makes Milky Way 2 great again for iOS 14. So it was broken iOS 14, and it should support iOS 14, and you can see right here, also iOS 15. Alright, next week is called Apps Manager, one of my favorite tweets. Like, developer of this, which TG Software, does make Apps Manager and also Files and File Manager, which are two of the best tweets I think there is, like top 10 tweets out there. They're amazing tweets. So this one provides a way to wipe, backup, restore app data, or installed apps. And I'm not sure it supports iOS 15. I mean, it just was updated, so you guys can try it out on iOS 15 if you want. Alright, we have launch CTL, tells launch what to do, and also launch confirm. Confirms the action of launching an app before actually launching it. Alright, next is called OTA Enabler. It re-enables the OTA software updates blocked by various methods. So if you have a way that you're blocking OTAs and you want to actually re-enable it so you can actually update your iOS software, then you can. Just know that if you do update your software, you know, obviously it's going to lose your jailbreak and all that kind of stuff. Also, I recommend backup all your stuff. So after installation, you should do a LD restart or use a space reboot to make sure the changes take effect. Alright, next is called Fake Pass. Fake passcode for check rate on A11 devices on iOS 14 up. Alright, we have Fake GPS and fake your iPhone locations as you wish. Supports iOS 5.1.1 up to iOS 16.2. So yeah, you can fake your GPS location. Alright, CC Square, more option for Control Center by Ahmed Mokadin and Mazen Mokadin. Supports iOS 11 16.x. So it gives you more, like I said, more Control Center customizations. Alright, next week's called Advanced Brightness Slider. Supports iOS 13 to 15. So it's a tweak to dim the screen. Dim the screen even further than usual with the brightness slider. Supports iOS 13 to 15. So if you guys want to dim your device as dim as you can possibly get and save more battery, this is a tweak for you guys. Alright, next week's called Folder Color, and across iOS 9, 10, 11, and 12. Change the color of folders according to the style. There should be one that's version 2.0-6, and I think that does support iOS 15. We have CA High FPS. Makes coordination apps use the highest available frames per second, same as your device's refresh rate. Head to Settings, CA High FPS, enable the tweak for each of your apps. Alright, we have Doodoo. The perfect lock screen tweak. Supports iOS 14 to 15.9, so 14 and up. Alright, next is called Zebra. Version 1.1.30 to useful package manager alternative for jailbroken iOS devices. So it's good if you have if you like a more like faster, more modern jailbreak package manager instead of using Cydia. There's also Cilio, but those are two I recommend. It's either Cilio or Zebra if you're looking for like a faster experience. I think Zebra actually does give you the option, Zebra gives you the option also to install IPAs, which is pretty cool. Cydia does not give that option, but I still prefer Cydia. But that's just my opinion.